Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Jagyaseni and today I'm going to show you how to configure static NAT using Cisco Packet Tracer. So without wasting our time, let's begin. Here I have taken two routers. I've connected a switch with the router 0 and with the switch I have taken 3 PCs. I have already assigned the IP addresses and now we will start with the configuration. So first I am going to router PT router 0. Then going to the CLI. Here I'll type no, enter, enable configure terminal interface, first F0/0, enter IP address 192.168.1.100 followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, enter no shutdown and exit. Now we are going to configure this interface. So interface is 2/0 IP address, that is 11.0.0.1 followed by the subnet mask, that is 255.0.0.0, enter no shutdown and exit. Next I'm going to router 1, CLI no, enter, enable configure terminal interface. This one is S2/0, S2/0 and the IP address is 11.0.0.2 followed by the subnet mask 255.0.0.0, again no shutdown and exit. Okay, now next what we are going to do is we are going to switch to PC 0. Let it open. Yeah. Now we are going to desktop and IP configuration and we'll fill up the details statically. Okay, now what is the IP address? This is 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask will come automatically and we have to insert the default gateway, which is this one, 192.168.1.100, and close it. Next, desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.2, and this will be the same .1.100. Next one, 192.168.1.3 and 192.168.1.100, and we are going to close it. Now next step is we are going to router 0 again, enter IP NAT inside source static I'll give the IP address of these PC, that is 192.168.1.1, and here I am taking 11.0.0.3. Enter. The same IP NAT inside source static, here I will take 11.0.0.4, and this will be replaced by 1.2. Again enter. This will be 0.0.5, and here this will be 1.3, and I'll enter. Next step is interface F0/0, that is IP NAT inside exit. Again interface S2/0, that is IP NAT outside, and exit. So we are done with the configuration, and now we are going to ping. So I will go to PC0. From here I'll go to the command prompt and I'll try to ping 11.0.0.2 and enter. So we are getting the reply, and here I am going to end this video. Thanks for watching.